Hi, in front of me is the LENOVO Tab M8 4th and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. When you're ready, click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Tap on Voice Typing in Keyboard Settings and tap on the gray switcher next to Use Voice Typing to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, click on while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!